As God is my witness that I never say that unless I'm telling the truth. I'm very scared. Everybody in ABS knows. Everybody. I have to say, in this issue especially, unfortunately, may liar. I'm close to Ma'am Charo and Tita Cory, but they're decent, I'm decent. You know, we are professionals. And we have never, not once, as God is my witness, talked about, texted about, or whatever, communicated about work. I have never talked to them about any work with TV5. I have never at all, even to my Tita Charo, who I'm very close to, never talked about returning to ABS. Okay, I have never had that talk. So, if there is a liar, that's not me. And you can confirm this with the bosses in ABS or anybody who's close to them. You know?
So how's your relationship now with the bosses of TV5?
I deal with Ma'am Wilma.
Okay.
Some bosses I used to deal with are no longer there. So,
Finishing your contract.
yeah. Of course. I have a good show. It's actually a family drama na because of situations and lots of dialogue. Ang malaki yung puso, pero may katatawanan din. But it's not really a comedy. At this point, about 3 naka-line up with Viva. The other one would be a co-prod if it pushes through, and it might surprise everybody.
It's a movie with Gabby.
Request ko rin po yan. Hindi ko lang kung nagkasundo na sila ni Boss Vic. No, actually, before request niya, hindi ako pwede. Nung okay na, parang, hinihintay ko lang silang magkasundo-sundo. I don't make pakialam with their talks. So, pag natuloy naman yun, and there's a really nice story, sus naman, why not? You know, past is past.